Hi, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can also create your own Amazon KDP account as a Nigerian for free. Like, I know some persons have gotten this information that as a Nigerian you can't create or you can't do Amazon KDP, and that's not true. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create your account. Easy step without any stress, and in few minutes you also would have your own as Amazon KDP account set up for you. So we go on Google and we click Amazon KDP, and we come here, we search Amazon KDP, and so right now we're going to be signing up. We're going to come to this place of don't have an Amazon account, sign up. So we're going to come here and sign up for an Amazon account. So I do have an account, but Amazon does not allow you to create multiple accounts. So as a result of that, I'm going to be using my sister's information to actually create this account today. So ensure that you stay with me as I go through this process with you. So right now, the name, you just put your name. Just going to put just put your name, then you put in the email address. Let's try this. So you put in a password that you are sure that you can remember. So then you click on create your Amazon KDP account. So it will bring you to this puzzle. You need to like solve a puzzle. So when you click on solve the puzzle, you have to pick the spiral galaxy. So this is the spiral galaxy. This is another spiral galaxy. So 2 times, and yeah. So Amazon is going to send an OTP code to that email address that you gave. So Amazon will send an OTP code. So I've already received the code. I'm just going to put it here. So it doesn't take time. The code comes like in seconds, and you already have your code. So add a mobile number. Make sure that you had your correct Nigerian number. So don't put in informations that are not correct. You get. So wait, so let's just use this number. Let's add the mobile number. So they will send an OTP code to that number. And yes, I already received the code. Let's just put the code. That is create your Amazon account. So now we have come to the terms and agreements. So if you're trans, make sure that you go through all the statements that is here. Make sure that you go through all of them. And so after that, you click on agree. Once you agree, then you are here. So, but before you can publish a book, there are still some information that you need to update. So you have to like update that information now. Your actual account is actually creatable. There are still some things that you need to do. So you're going to put in your mobile number again. So Nigeria. So send OTP code. So they'll send another OTP code to that number again. So I got the code. The code comes in like so quick. So you continue. Once you continue, then it will direct you to this page. So I want you to like really pay rapt attention to all that we're going to be doing on this page, because this is where many persons actually get it wrong and they are not able to complete the process of creating their accounts. So right now I'm going to be taking you through this process of creating your own account, like completing and updating your information, so that by the time you start publishing your books on Amazon, you are able to get your money. You're not just publishing and you're not able to get your money. So I'm going to show you this, how you're going to do that here. So the business type, we're going to be dealing with individual, then date of birth. Just going to put something here. We're going to put something here. Let's just put something. Okay. Country, put in Nigeria, because yeah, we are working from Nigeria. Our account is in Nigeria. So you put your name, your address. So I'm going to be using, let's just say, I'm going to be using, this address, and it's somewhere in Ogun State. So if you want to get the postal code of Ogun State, just go to Google and click on postal code. So I'm just going to pick this one, 112107. I'm just going to pick it and put it here. Then I put my number again. So from there so at this point now, if you don't have like a US bank account, you might need to create one by using Payoneer. Use Payoneer to create an account. So if by this time I've not done the video on how to use how to create a Payoneer account, I'll do that very soon. But even at that, if you don't have a US account currently, you just click on I don't have a bank account. So before you publish your book and start getting paid, you would have come to update this information, because by that time you would have obviously created a bank account. But you can still put you don't have a bank account. You can proceed with that. So we have to okay, save and continue before we can go to the tax information. So now you also need to pay attention to this, because this is also one of the parts that people don't really understand. So all you need to do here is to what is your tax classification? Individual, like that is what we're dealing with here. Individual includes sole proprietorship, where the owner is an individual. So we're going to be dealing with individual. Are you a US citizen? US so I'm actually assuming that okay, the person watching this video would not be a US citizen, and so I'm just going to say no, you're not a US citizen. And so are you acting as an intermediary or receiving payment on behalf of another person? No, you're not receiving payment on behalf of another person. So this is the information. So right here in your country of citizenship, don't forget, put Nigeria. You are in Nigeria, so put Nigeria. Amazon is not going to stop you from doing that. So you put you're in Nigerian. So right now here is saying I have a non-US thing. So you're going to untick that. If you find that in your process, just untick that. When you untick that, then these options will come out. So in these options, it says the country where I am liable to pay tax does not issue TIN to its residents. I have applied for TIN, but haven't received it yet. I could not obtain, I could not have obtained TIN from it because of other reasons. So the country where you are, which is Nigeria, they don't issue TIN to their residents. So that's what you just put. And then you continue. So then this is, we're almost at the last part. Then you read all those informations, then you click and you put in your signature, which is most likely like your full name that you used. Just want you to put your name here. Okay. So then just click on save and preview. And that is it. We actually done. So you just submit the form, and I'm sure you'll be getting a message from Amazon telling you about your account. So you exit and you have your account. Basically, your account is already set up. Then if you want to publish a book, you just come to Bookshelf and you have your account already set up. You just create and you start publishing. So this is actually the end of this video right now. I hope you actually got value from what I shared in this video.